Premoto ahaya SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra Ghana de Shmaima yema munyina aha awie ebraso si ye de SOMPA kasebo esomo kasebo efi SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra no enam ye headquarters ewo Kumase eye SOMPA 93.1 FM sanso enatechi my SOMPA eye 106.1 FM sunyana SOMPA eye 98.9 enkranza mense onom 90.7 mankasim ye Kingdom 106.1 Decoder Sobebia Radio on SOMPA FM. Your Facebook page near SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. And a YouTube SOMPA FM Live. Your website www.sompaonline.com. Kanesh Urban Radio or Kaneshi Market or BMU. I'm a man for Kaneshi Jumho in a Hono Muti. And a Doma FM so Doma Henen Domonsono. Womutie ewo 100.7 ewo Doma FM so. Nina enam sona ewie endpoint homeopathy clinic. And na ebo ye chidom endpoint homeopathy clinic esebra na eye endpoint edema wo yare bia na ye ntoase ma wo kumasia eye kronma bohia enenkran ha shell signboard spinters kwano so na won ne kona krana ensu krogen ye kasa natural mineral water na wonya binum a woni pedua na more than 70% so ebetimi aboa hagia special local food eduane papa fie nie etidi eduane pa na wonya kwatenten ensem a ye de esomo awie dedi makotene no ebini
Ghana Police Service adia basa sukuni akwada wo fremu yayaya ewo UCC no wachire nipa bako a enhwehwemu asase
na Courts Control Commission so e de krata babonten se wo machi abrante bi ono de oye campaign pa e fa nu boni asa ache na yere nso aka ho
Tama West DC Women's Organizer ya wayera bepem na abusua hunu no abusua no abamonten so ya won koto asra mampanyini se wo mrem na no ayeden
Enkanwe police force wo makochi akromfo num bia ena wie ediomu din ne betudwa
sanso ane anya ntia se wode asrafo dom akwakogu boko senior ha ya wakwakwo hwasa ne be yasumdwe mapa ebetumi aye adwuma
Media Foundation for West Africa Executive Director Wadano Suleiman Abrahima ababontin se asoye hwe akwane kwantempon so mayenhunu contractors ya yede yakwan ama wo mo
Owa Samuel Abdullahi Jinapo aneka sayi wasa Ghana mampanyini ka won mo ka sa apamfo no mo ye adwuma yekuma bie no wo hwa sika ekọ aban no ankasankasa mu won mu di no a ene apamfo no won mu ni twaka bia
abansoafo wono ene hye ekasa edema no ene ne kasa dwumadie Honorable Felix Kwacho Fosudi atodwa se Dr. Bosman Asare a wode nadwa ato ho no enya de aban no enim ho bibi
Owura aya Samuel atachia so wa bakasa chro se wontume nsam no ne ya baba fa no so ma mranim ni shonkokora emedua ni mu no nyase wo pese wo twentwe ne o sunti ena mana banesa
Ghana Education Services say womani abre wo mu chirim se teacher ni bia na wo bole senior high school no a sa abre sexual misconduct no asem no wo mo asom
yebekwa UK abrochimemu na Ghana fo binumu a wo mo so esuade ho no mo ayo ye kire na no odin emu nchiremu etesei
ensem pi ka wenum ho ne de so mo sakase body afi SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra ye ne de kase boyi esomo ene awie yi eye double A4 AKOSUA aye double AKOSUA AGYEWAA die nyame yeshira no obetimi so afrem AKOSUA nshira mene medoba
AKOSUA AGYEWAA kwade boatin Afei yanje Brennan samno yenchechemwe Ghana Police Service wo my Ghana Post adwumeko no ana edekrata epiano pay na wo mo agbamane yesa University of Cape Coast suapon no level 200 student and din any in essential avenue ya ebedadwa senipa bonfo bi afri na roya ya ebra wo beach ya echase wo ya wo mkoto se wo butuo na sabio ni brazi anko ane de ehyenepa na ehyanu a wode awuda ho no wo achere abrantie bi yesusuo sa anam nsaso amasa gurukasam no akoso na edin aposifo de apiedwa no ni din ana Michael Mensa wanya mfisha no aduasa enkono 39 years wan mo kire mu a na se wowura yi aya ka no wasem wo ye tichani wasanso ye driver enti wachera de no wopon a ɛna wɔde driver no ɛyɛ adwuma na sɛ wɔde car na mu a na wɔde ɛyɛ adwuma na June bosom da to so du baako bɛsɛ ɛno no nsia bɔ pa minute no aduanan wɔtwe ɛna wɔkɔfa ababa wɔyi a wɔfiri mu Innocentia Avenue ɛfiri school no campus wɔ hostel bi ɛwɔ hɔnom ɛno wɔ Ayensu Plaza hɔnom a ɛna wɔkɔfa ababa wande ne kɔ saa bichi a ɛnɛ yɛ ka ho asɛm na ɛno firi hɔnom apɛ no ɛna yɛnte ababa wane nka biem yɛ nɛ na mu ani akɔkɔfɛ nam so nti aposifoɔ kyerɛ sɛ wɔn mususu sɛ ebetumi abase wonoa ɛna nam ne so amasa awudie no aba na wakɔkɔ yɛ hyenkani no ebi nso a na wɔde ne kɔ kɛkɛ na mmom woni mu hwe na ne nyina mu no aposifo ahyase a wɔn ɛyɛ nhwɛmu na wɔn mpɛ sɛ wɔn bɛpɛntem abu atɛnti ɛna wɔn makyere driver ni a wɔn mpɛ sɛ wɔn hwɛ sane yɛbɛyɛ na ne kyene yada nipa bebre bi yada wɔka ho a anam ne nsa so ama baba wɔ Innocentia wɔfiri mu no nhwɛmu mapa ebetumi akɔ so na wɔn srɛ busua ɛne agyamfo nyinaa sɛ wɔbi ya ntam kuchu na wɔn Ghana Police Service sansa wɔn hwehwɛ mu a wɔn mahyase no dasɛ bo a wɔde bɛkɔ wiye no mahu nipa ko a wɔde sɛ adwuma no
yɛmfa breaking news wei entudwa yɛnyina yɛnim sɛ Honorable Ken Oforiata a emre bi eche mu no ɔyɛ ɔsoafo hyɛ sikasɛm ne ntotoyɛ so ma ɔman Ghana ɔmampanyini dada Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo abreso breaking na ababa bepie mu sɛ wɔde asɛm ɛkɔdan court ɛwɔ America mu sɛ yɛmma no de frɛ no permanent residency application. Eko wi asie no sese ya pene so ama no. Ye de permanent residency application or the court no. Sabre so mpaka se bobetimi akonfirm ama mo na yesusu dua se America for the amana sese wanya permanency a obetimi atena krom ho nti okasa Ghana ha kora wonsi abiem kora wontimi nsi abiem na wei ebetimi aboa ma immigration ho nsensam no sese de nakoma ato ne yem wo ho na mpanifo mo tena court no so no wo mo so mo rule ye no na ese ekoyie ma na papa efise dodo no a ekogina mu edema no na ne lawyer Frank Davis on na de sansemi atodwa na wo kire mu se wo mo hwehwe sansem ni mu nyina no sese America fo agye atum se Honorable Ken Oforiata sa permanent residency application approval no abam US court no wo mo agye atum prekope empanifo tietie nsem wa de faaye efa ne evidence wo de ba ye se ne krom ha wo besi ha nsem bebre efa ho ti evidence ya wo de ba ne witnesses akodo a wo mo ede beto pono so no ene timi eboa ya sabri asemi so mpaka sebo edi akyi ye de bebra mu na mom ye moma so ate se sabri de Honorable Ken Oforiata wanya permanent residency application or the call no yagye atum se obetimi atena America ho ntesa kane no a na yesi no de na atwam eti obetimi afiri ho no aba Ghana no sese de ne na yetintim yie ewo America mu ye to so de na Narcotics Control Commission for so the krata babontin se abrantie bi efe ne Dauda Idris edi enkrofo di nimu pa ye white man ono so onye white na momo no de krono boni nu boni ho dwadie ene wodi mu tintimai pa wo kaso na ne mpatamu na yesi eba na cortex no do a ene obo white man yi this wo mo frɛ ne white man yi he wonim dwadie na awurawura ntokuro mu wo mo kɔche Dauda Idris no mo san che ne yere ene yere ka ho eti wo ye oba na se wukunu ye bone na se wa nka ye che no nso ye bechew wo kata no so a ye bechew na no na nipa mienu bi nso ka ho ena ono nso so ya tsesa nipa nkrofo no mienu no ya che wo mo aka ho empanifo a wona Narcotics Control Commission ebo amane e de to so mpaka se ebo anim se wo matete asa abrantie se de wo ye wo hwa no a wo ye campaign pa na cocaine yi pa wo mo timi ton pa no wo timi ton ankasa di hu dwadie ene ne ka ho a kyese fe no coordinated trading etu owurawura mu hyehyehye mu a sabre de nyame yi ne sokrata ama Narcotics Control Commission akwakoche no a ebrepa mu no ye de ne begina court na emra ene ne dia ne yere ene namfofo mienu nso eka ho ede sobo no abawo mu
na yodenka mamani dada sewo ko tema West NDC Women's Organizer Mame Paulina Lamisi yaka say mame no ayera ya yehunu na kyera kwan kora na nansenta mu abusua de betu dwa akyera se won mahwehwe no wahwehwe no besen finhia mienu nie ya wo mo bo amane se mame no ayera wo mo penu ba bi ya wo mo hunu no bepem na nyade a wo ba fie wo mo frɛ no nso a wo mo nya no enti won no akoto asere na ene ye abusua no ayensemtrofo enhia mu ensemtrofo enhia mu one more year no opanyipa yo kasa ye eye owura Paul Anamde Akambodipo wono ana ya eye obeya wayira ni nua ana wakasa ye ana wakoto asere mampanyini se wobesere wobeya ye kan wasemi wonya obi akeke woye NDC Tema West Women's Organizer and wayira emfinhia mienu nie woma penachira kwanya womu huno womo frɛ ne number enko enti womu hunu ba bia womo mfa womo konko ho ba no womo sere mampanyini ye rojo domani mama se wonya bi mfamoa sɛ ne beya baba woyi womo sabetumi aka ne bio.
Patiently make a passionate appeal to His Excellency President John Dramani Mahama to personally intervene and help ensure that renewed attention is given to this matter. We believe that under your leadership, the institutions of state can be encouraged to intensify effort towards bringing closure to this painful chapter. This is not merely a political issue, it is a human issue. It's about a mother, a daughter, a citizen of Ghana whose family deserves answers.
Na eno no NDC executives ni bia won so Tema West ho enso akasa akira se won mo sresa tentere ne nya adwuma na ba bia maami yakohye bia no wontumi ensamra fie.
Obi bia no open yes sir na me bia no ye ma omo hwe no maye ye kake IGP be se no kunu ene madafo ene ebushafo bi pa omo ben no IGP CID boss sorry waka
ye gugu dem na ye petu program ke ban no na no mo Daniel la proji ye gugu dem ne beye ni baba Mahama ni de gugu no ye la proji gugu dem no she na one sham na ponya dada na bisi ye petu na mesem.
As public servants and leaders, we have a responsibility to ensure that no case is forgotten. We acknowledge the efforts made by the security agencies, but we respectfully urge that all necessary resources
Arusiana chasano no way area Tema West NDC executives ni bi ne yote wo monka won mokoto wasere se Women's Organizer Mama Pauline Alamisi wayira omfinhia mienu nie enti mampanyin ne na pamfo wo munya bi mfamoa na maame no ensamra fie.
Yeah, can we say endpoint homeopathy clinic prem to break asebo and a wuti fi SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra na bonia AKOSU ni ewudie ne krono bonia de yenkopie atwomamponia district e Ashanti region na ehona ba obedu e de ababedan ye say Enkanwe district police command omakwa akochi akromfo enum na akromfo yi omo de krono no omo bo no akokoduro bi ekuta wo na nyasam ketu atiefo amutie SOMPA kasebo womu she military officers atade omu kobokro no a womu she asojafo atade no omu de akokro no mome he omu womu na gu ha yo atiefo mesra bra ye YouTube eye SOMPA FM say ye Facebook ne nya problem kakra nti momfa ncha ye eti bra SOMPA FM live ewo ye YouTube page ho na se wo kɔ SOMPA 93.1 FM so kra no a wo benya ye ewo Kumase Facebook de obetimi anya ye ewo SOMPA 93.1 FM obetimi anya ye Facebook na SOMPA 106.5 FM Facebook no ye nya challenge kakra na mum se wo kɔ ye headquarters ye SOMPA 93.1 FM omu page no so a wobetimi akwa Facebook ho no benya ye Facebook SOMPA 93.1 FM na tachi my SOMPA nso wobetimi anya ye ho enkranza SOMPA wobetimi nso anya ena sunya na SOMPA nso Facebook nso wobetimi anya ye nemom sa wo ba YouTube dia eye SOMPA FM live bra behwai akromfo na gina what say military officers ni o etina me share that to bo ase kire o ba bia behu ye e wo Facebook no ena me kire YouTube nso Facebook de ko ye headquarters SOMPA 93.1 FM anase SOMPA tachiman ho nyina ye wo ho tachiman de no eye 106.1 enna SOMPA 98.9 sunyane enna SOMPA 90.7 nkranza ho nyina se wo ko Facebook de a ubenya ye Facebook Accra de wunya ye sabri behwe asojafo ntade ye hye wo ye ka kire wo se akromfo na gina ho no a obeka semeboa akromfo na gina ho yo akromfo ena ehyehyɛ military uniform a yabobɔ ne kama pa bibie ni ho ekire sɛ wɔn nya asojafo bibie ni ho ekire sɛ wɔn nya asojafo na akromfo ekɔkye ekire sɛ wɔn nipo so kra wo yɛ mbɛhyew bibie ni ho a ekire sɛ wɔn nyɛ eyi asojafo wɔn post to say military officers na omako nkura hodo a wo Atwomamponia district e Ashanti region ho no koto krom ne ho nyina no ma kɔbɔ kro no wɔ hɔ a wɔma dress military style wo se asogyafoɔ no na wɔn ba mining site no ma bedi dwuma nti wo wɔn abɛka sɛ asogyafoɔ so akrɔmfoɔ nti wo gold kakra no a sɛ wo galam sɛ yɛsi gya wo si wunyai no wɔn afa ho no wɔn aba abɛgye wɔn di nie Abdullahi Basit Zukalali Saidu Sulemana Abubakar Sadiq Ala Fati Fuseni Sharif Masa Odi na wɔn se sankrofo ya suspect wɔn se wɔn akromfo ya wɔn ahyɛ military uniform yi wɔn yɛ wɔn so wɔn ka Muslim Community Task Force ho a wɔn ɛyɛ adwumade ama Ghana Muslims eti Muslim Community Task Force working for Ghana Muslims ɛna yakwakwɔkye wɔn asabre tonse police ɛne yɛde wɔn akwakoguo ampanifoɔ ɛyɛ sansɛm no hwehwɛmu a baabi kuro mu konya uniform ni free yɛ enya military arms ɛka ho no ɛno na ɛda paso a mpanifoɔ ɛhwehwɛmu
Awotia Sompa Yapam Tabaka Siabo, Efri Sompa 106.5 Accra, Yatwa and Sam Sonia Round Museum. Woko Boko Senior Higher, didn't come money that I say who Casambia Cosona Sentum, as a cool phone could die one watcher was seen Sorano, and an anno Juada, a Casambia one would ye, SS school near my at the year, one person barpo, teacher for so more pointy, and your numbers as and your mabu and Conyani at the rich, the teacher Nibako, one match in Wessie, I'm about should send you messy Sibam no, Emma or Dia Sabia water Irish. I can't be a Casamua, a sea and no Juada, a Jinamua. Intino and Naya Yaka say Ghana Sra for Domo Aquaco one more share about buying send your bay a pay your bet to Miacoso. Now I will say I would be a cheer mumrai. Now Monko Facebook no so I Sompa FM. I feel what TV no so soa Ubehuyan TV no ye film kakra I Facebook no I Sompa 93.1 and YouTube no yes YouTube near Sompa TV yes near them okwa behuyen just a video no pictures no na guo no one must teachers in motorbikes a wodo mo de baye afei one the blocks access nneoma pinu a school mo adai a wo mo twere wasi one be so mba apo teachers ya mo apo entie ne omba sa nneoma na Boko Municipal Director of Education Ora Isaac Abeko ana eden sami tu dwa e kire se won mo ye de omba tumi bia na nneoma ya gensa mo ti free no ade ba no de na daje ni puso na de won ba ya na se wo mo bom panyimfo amane na fei oda ne free soro wo ba ma asrafo e ba beguo nti ye kasa de asrafo dom ana so ya won mo hwe fisam ene amanya ya won sam so ade won makoboko senior high school ya won mo kwakwa sa ne be ya huru kasam no a amane musuo e wo no no sa ne ma no nyina da e betumi atwa na ye kasa enya de won ma kire nipa bia e wo ho ne mo posifo kire se won gusu ata ya hwehwemu mapa enso ekoso
Meka wo se Sompa kase bo na wutie fi Sompa 106.5 FM Accra ye Facebook page no so wo call ye headquarters Sompa 93.1 FM wo betimi ehu ye Facebook sanso ena Sompa Tachiman 106.1 FM ena Sompa Sunyane ena Nkranza Sunyane 98.9 and Nkranza ye 90.7 na ye social media platforms wo ko YouTube so Sompa FM live no wo benya ye ewo ho ye ko ye ni mo executive director na so kwanche for panyina Wada Media Foundation for West Africa no Sulemana Brahima what their 2 Ministry of Roads and Highways and him say obestra wo mo say sa 1000 road project no a wo mo so awarded through competitive tendering no na say eno no ye de beto so ene obi apriniti wo ekoyie ma wo ne de ma wo no wo mo metumre na wo mo nkiresie Sansemi nyina efi se Minister of Government Communications aye Felix Kwachi Ofusu ebe kan say I ban the procurement practices ne koyie power Ministry of Roads and Highways asoye o mo hye akwan ne kwantempon so no na ban big push road infrastructure project no eye de efe ne competitive tendering it would do the banam se me de media ban ya so no so wo ebe koyie ama wo no ne de contract ne wama ene wo say okay una wo de wano aka it would wano donwura ebi nwo nenso Executive Director the Media Foundation for West Africa Ura Suleiman Brahima say o mekire 1000 road project no ekwan a ye fa so o mekire ye mfa list ne mra ekwan we na through competitive tendering anasa ye de akansie ne boss no ye de ma we ye de ma semesi ye de ma A ye de ma B ye hu ne nyina de a ebem yetimi agye aban no edi.
If the one of them constituted 76% of the total big push projects that they had given us were so-sos. And the amount involved is 73.4 billion. I am challenging the ministry to publish the full list of the 1,000 plus projects that they claim they have awarded. And let us see whether that would amount to anywhere close to this 73 billion. We are talking about projects that one project under Big Push, one project is almost $500 million. If you take the Afram Plains, the bridge over River Afram, $497 million. That's one project.
And to see Canada, I know yes, it be the Big Push. Now, by Big Push road project, yeah. Yes, say Rose Bay and Asa Quabay 1,000. Ya dear Mamma Crofua, woman, your son is sono. As I'm not and I know shit. 80 or Concha for Panama Media Foundation for West Africa. Over Suleiman Abraham say, Abano and from one some number if he said the Wokrata Efreno, the fourth estate, or more the buy. Now said the music can summon, and the Subrika Krawu Sabri, and Central Food now a share Nimudia buying Ebeka at their farm.
Now, see a Fanabania Dian and Santa Monanam. Sir Ghana, a buying Sika, what dear our presidency, one, and Yasam Ketuamakra, NPP Manukono Dom Kuman Wafem, and an Airbus Soborno or Mocha say, a buying was so bet me at Teswasan say, NPP are buying now one more Teswano, Nayasika. Kuma bi na so hwem appointees ya na ban wa yie no no mo do so pa enso sika kuma bi na tweme so wono mo enso asa ban wa betena akonya so no aya wa yi appointees keto bi na so sika won mu die wo presidency wonya asem keto ma na enokra ka obi ma yira Felix Kofosu kwache aban no panyipa yo kasa de magana ban ebe kasai e tro se bibia sen won mo tesa na salaries crampo no wo mo presidency won mo je no eye keto bi nya de aban no kura pajamuo ana bibia tesa na nyina mu no asebe Jania, what Jinamodima de share what Damangua to Ambasso. So, you are Samuel Abdullah Jinapo and Nekasai. One of the so actually not dread your phone at Jezaware. I'll buy a person what that Ghana for ya that kra. Now, we show more. Said ye 1 PP for 1 more dread your Mako Huno. As Annetie, I'll buy no dinipa who may be now Baba Ghana for what woman a yetuma. Now, so what grounds one more. And I won't say 1 more dorsal. I walk where's a quiet. Would you nature won't say the wound ye no one knows a yes. Said Diana 1 more dorsal pa. And to Ghana by Wapa, and not 1 more aye Ghana for say ye ne 1 would do a minus car. A man I'm swing to Ghana. And what you fit Adokroye. You are Samuel Abdullah Jinapo.
The report submitted to Parliament revealed that as of 31st December 2025, the office of the President had a staff strength of 808, down from 921 in 2023. On the face of it, this appears to suggest a leaner administration. However, a true and careful analysis reveals otherwise. This figure does not include political appointees, advisors, and special assistants serving across ministries, departments, and agencies. It does not include communication and corporate affairs directors and similar political appointees across MDAs. And importantly, it does not include the offices of deputy ambassadors and other political appointees created in Ghana's diplomatic missions abroad. Indeed, under the current administration, 18 deputy ambassadors have been appointed across various missions compared to only 6 under the previous administration. The estimated cost of these 18 posts is between $2.7 million and $3.1 billion every year, which means about $11 million to $12 million over a 4-year term. As a government that came into office promising to cut waste and operate a lean government end up with a significantly higher compensation bill.
SOMPA FM.
I was saying your turn in Canada, Montgomery Journey when one for Samuel Abdullah Jinapo.
Yet workers Yabonsoa ebede dise Dr. Bosman Asare na oye commissioner ewo electoral commission or beja form edijuma or deputy chairperson edema electoral commission na sabri in charge of corporate affairs what the neja ato na yes wonu ankasa wo se dwumadi ne won to aso bi mo resign eno na nsem bi ba say aban ne tachi we di aban wo bu office free titi nyina wo de na machira pese electoral commissioner beja fo nyina wo yi wo to aso akonya na asemi na minister of state in charge of government communications honorable Felix Kwacho Fusudia Babontin say enye nokre enya ban ene ka ho ana epiepia Dr. Bosman Asare say won fa nadwa ento it is asem no mpeso mu chechi mu pa ma manfo nyina etiase say enye political interference bia ana say political parties nsem bi o mkan ono abokwache ofosu ebo amane say papa no ono ana ofri nipem ena wafa kwampa so say adwuma na ye de hye nsa na wawie eti wadase na ofri mu sei ene wokan
no basis for giving an assurance because nothing of the sort has happened. The process for removing a member of the Judicial Commission is clearly spelled out by law. And indeed, in our recent history, a government has done that in the shape of the AKOSUA AGYEIWAA administration. They removed the chairperson of the Judicial Commission using stated law and process. So whenever a government wants to remove someone from the list based on specific considerations and events, how to do it is very clear. That is not what has happened in this instance. Dr. Bosmanasari himself, of his own volition, wrote to the president indicating his desire to leave at the appointed date, and that was what has happened. So I'm not sure how an assurance gets into the conversation.
When you Ora Felix Quacho for Sue, our nona buying Enkita Hudie or Dawamano, or we almost say former Chief Justice Sophia Kufu, the NTIA, Council of State, and was in who free mono. Echo Quaya Faswa, former Chief Justice get to Tokunu. Womo fanso yi ne toase akonya fi se bro mo chance no wakasa da bi de mo ya na nye eti wo man tienti e na sese maame na resign wo se no so enya no kure.
Justice of Akufu does not come across as a timorous soul or someone who cannot voice her concerns when she has a position on a matter. You recall that when the Akufu administration implemented the EDP, despite the fact that she was the Chief Justice appointed by that particular administration, she joined others to protect against that of Blosso's decision. In times past and in recent past, she has publicly voiced her opinion on any matter. So if she was minded to state a reason for resigning, she would have indicated so. And today I displayed a letter at the briefing. The letter is a 4-paragraph letter. She doesn't say anyway why she resigned. So on what basis is anybody supporting to conjecture and manufacture a reason on behalf of the Sofa Akufu as why she has left the Council of State? What we are doubling in is pure conjecture and nothing more.
Eni ayeti ye Ora Felix Quacho Fosu, our Minister of State in charge of government communications on the Kasaya. Some pakasiebo etintim ediasum.
Na eno de na beda jose Ashanti Regional Chairman dema NVP amanyokono. Oro be na denchi bo siako panyipai chama wontumi. Wayi mranim ni foforo kra ya ne din ene Samuel Atachia ya sebre won na eba ba hwese ne be ya bone fosamu a ye de abon won ne ntansa nyina da ewo kwata die no wobetumi agina mu adiama no. Na asam de ba na ngovozo wa strategy wo boapa na wo hwem kra no a de nam so emayira ande apia kubi eka se wontumi ni asem ni nyina chi no se ne be ya asem ne ba twentwen na asia wo court se ya na ne na mu se ya na fe ye de ato aba na abansa kra ye atumi aba enu nti ana ma wono boapa won wadi djuma ti se yi na eno de ya ye kasa yi ye lawyer Samuel Atachia ye mre bi atwamu na wo ye bua kwa South mrasha bedwani wo sa mranim ni wo ba kasa che se ente sakora bibia se ni wono mu a eche sa nemo mu hwemu a asemu eche se ye ne ntanse de se de bo na se emramuo no ekokoya bone fosam sa no a aya na ahyase ne nya de se wieye eno nti na dumra bia na mranimfo no ya kwakowia no watwe ne ho de afrim sanse won pese bibia e baba foforo no wokwam enti wono kura no a waba ba djumade eche se ye e de asan ni komu no asudie kese e na baba beto ne so.
If I never come into the case, what will happen to the case? So for anybody to impute bad motives to Andy Appiah Kubi or if you want to me himself, it's distasteful. The man has said a few things I don't want to repeat here relating to what informed him to withdraw from the case. I leave it to him. But to say that, oh, this is a delay tactic, I mean, to ensure that the judgment is not delivered at the appropriate date. I believe it sits well with those who believe that let's run an ambulance criminal justice delivery system. We want people in prison as quickly as we want. So we score political points. This is not democracy and I mean fair trial and the rest of them.
Where aya ankane yebo kwa South mrasha bedwani lawyer Samuel Atachia.
Yet wakasi bonusu wa Ghana Education Service say ocheche ni bi owo Boli Senior High School wa Savannah region. Allegation bi baye de subo bi eba ono na subo de bo no ye fe no sexual misconduct oni adesua ni bi o ma fore wo mo ho agudie bi mu a enye papa na krata mpanifo e de ba bonte o mo so esese obi ehunu bi enne eba ne na social media video bi ne namo a sa video no ye hunu se se de o chechire ni akoda yi kwa o mo fa so ye fe no inappropriate conduct between the two eti o mo mienu no se de o chechire ni se ni akoda yi ni adeches woni bo video no so atim say etu ochechire ni pa nti akwadaa no na wo che na de no wasan we na san agusuo no eti ho asem ni nyina no na head of public relations Ghana Education Service Owura Daniel Fenyi e de krata babo nti so ma chance ya asem no hwehwemu fa sa viral video na e ba ya ochechire ni so akwadaa ni mu no na Ghana Education Services abre ya chine dwumadi asensen e fa video no e ba say sexual misconduct no ho a se de se si a na nam social media teacher ni any student wo Bole Senior High School no Savannah region wo mu di dwumadi bi ete sa na nsa na hwehwemu ni bekwa wiye no ese se de wo mmra city etimi ye friend interdiction yetimi ma wo dwumadi na wudi no wo de to kakra na ye hwehwemu kwa ase ye wi a na de efiri mu ababia ye de aba na wo mu kasa tia se ensem fata so ochirechire ni akoda a wo kye na de wo ne betwempena ensem fata so ochirechire ni akoda a wo kye na de wo besoso no nufum ensem fata so ochirechire ni akoda a wo kye na de wo ne beda ensem fata so ochirechire ni akoda a wo kye na de no wo betimi ne na kompam saa ne mane mane nyina no ensem fata ni kwanse so kura eti wo de abase e wonsunsuan so kase eti se wo ye chirechire ni na woni honam ahohye so a se wo ye chirechire ni na wonim honam ahohye so a ne na waye wade wa abontin na sukum ho de se ye kyewa emna ne ubedi asem ye de akire de GS beba bia no ye nyumaso emfrim
na woko UK abrochimemu a abobodo josa Ghana adisuafo besensia bi nso won mageka won ho abomu a won mo abamonten so kire se won mo baba ye kire de ti aban no na Ghana ya namsifo ye won mo ewo UK na won baba ye kire de ti a won sanse eneyi aban no so won masene se won kongo sua de wo bi man so nam so kokko duru ye no sika kura no wo sa aban no de ba na won de tuatua won mo fees ni ade no akokko ebo achibidin emfinhia mienu ni wo Ghana abanya boabo ankam ya se abane pese won ba fi wo mu nam so nti ene na ba bia won mo tie ne se abo na takra ne ma ne yakese na so takra bi won mo afanyina kwatere kwa wo bebu won mo kwansini se wo moduru na so ba bi wo mo tie no yenso a wo mo kura wo mo da so te da bi wo mo tie a anam so ama wo mo de adesrade to Ghana abayanim se bo sha na ya don sorodo enti wo mo sra ban sa aban na ntimi ase bibia amfa nkere wo mo de a ene na wo betu mo fopa no ma yo ye kere ede atia wonom na enipa ya kan won mo asemu ye no wakra Emmanuel Boache George Wasai Boaben ana Abena Fosu Agyesi Irene Poma Kumi ena fe Jomo Evelyn wom ni nipa makomako ensia wom akeka wom abomu ekoto asere aban no na wom kyerese suapo na wom no anam sebe semfinhia myerunie wom ntwi aka na wom de scholarship nso na ko obi manso nti aya ne druma bi a adesua no kora no wom ko classroom na wom ko akwaje ntetia no mu fere sanse wo a wo de ka won so akwatena classroom ma wadwene ma yo he enti de teacher ni na kire no enya wo kora na wadwene nam sanse wonnim da potia Ghana bayi ebetua office ade amawo enti achechefo begina won mo a na ama nioma ekoprekesen atema ho anam so ama won mo koto asra ban se wo hwemo pa no a enei sene nioma sibika kwade ma wo mo nyakora no a enko mba be umeba won mo nchi na asabio adesua no won maba ba to aso na so abanesa enti mo sra ban se wo ko mu a ene na won twa mutim firi so preko no wo hwase won makatua no a akamu fa no school fees won sensem wo no aban de baba anya sade o ye kire chenkire pa na won ba ye e wo UK abrochimemu
meka wo SOMPA kase bona wutie fi SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra na ye ko yanimu a yenim se the senior national team the Black Stars nyame yadom ochina no adwono be du ba ko ho no a 11 pm eno me ne Panama fo e de boss wo mu opening match no na ye player ba ko Thomas Partey nyade obegina mu bie fi se Canada fo ama ne visa e de entina mo ma ne visa o mo se an Thomas Partey asem na wo UK no aye die na ye ninye ye no a fa sexual allegation hono nti no mo mfa ma na Ghana for say na asem ye de ko court no wo se woni fo na obi a court nka se wodi fo de de na aka se wo ma na visa eti e basa na de friend of fundamental legal principle no wopuso eno ne se nipa na kopem se e beka so ye guilty no wontimi enkondem no ma ne nyeyi eti Ghana ban ni abre papa wo mo ne Canadian embassy ne mpanifo kasa se we die adabraka nanti obi abo obi asoboa ne atamo de ya ade ya na wo bra enim se competent court of jurisdiction esese no kasampa wudi bem ananse wudi for ansa na yagye atum eti say ye opening match no at Thomas Partey entimi mobie no honorable Samuel Okudie to Ablako ye foreign affairs minister e de akirem no aba amane se wo mo use diplomatic avenue bia na se ye hwenkitahudi a eda aman ne aman temo a akwanya bi e betimi afiri mu aba na mo begina so de ya adwuma se de be ya Thomas Partey opening match ochina no obetimi abobie.
All strategies are being explored and pursued very actively In particular, we are leveraging our very cordial diplomatic ties with Canada, and we believe that the ongoing negotiations should produce positive outcomes.
We na woti ye no we eye honorable Samuel Okudi eto ablakwa awo yo so afo wo hye amono ne nsam so no wona de sansem etu dwa so mpaka sebo ye de som wo awie yi
na woba wo my Ghana emu a ye wo kwan wodo pinu a ye ayede sese nwura edi firi ha na ebi yesa ye wo won mu a won wankasa wo ma register won mu din e won krata mu a wo mo de hyan eba ba fiefie mu ajejeje bola ene ye wo mo nso afa na won ma hya ase kora anti abobo ye bi eno mo de ba fiem na wo mo de jeje bola na saafo no na eduru mabi a bola na wo mu tume jeje ya ma eburu wo mo hoten so na afa wo kwakwo jagu ba bi a eni kwa so wo mo de guo awe wo sem ni a wo mechesem ne se na ewuko wager makati hills won mo a ede kro no a ane man boya yen saka kire se nipa binu kwakwo ja wo mo bola guo na se tie nie ama shine wo ma jeje si wa ma chese wo ma fon mu nya hwene kan abushia ya mudi a chemu ma hai bola no na ya to ne santene te se de ya kwakwo ja ye fro na ya sha ye fro ho ne ma no ene ye de ko na adia wo mo ye ne ye se mosquito net no a wo kwa ya resabia chichiro ni abata afo no wo mo kwa wo e de ma wo mo se mo fa mo ban yo ne ntontom ma mare mo no eno no mo de kata bola no so bola no ban free ntontom ho enti wo mo de kuri bola no sa no a no makoko jasi makati hills ho enti wo ma hye ne fefe sa ye fro ho ne ma ena busuom de akwakosi wo na kankan pa ye tu o man fo mpotabo no enya sam keto ma wo mo ne yama ne bofo bonkomo e kire se ama wo mo nyuma egu ese wo mo nyuma enti wo mo sere se woni a Jaza wo pragia anase wo bobo ya no awakwa jesi wo biara fa na ade mfanko sanse anam sunti amen ne dodo no a yare e na akwakwa ja won so ho.
It's very bad, and it's like they don't buy anything. We do sell food here, we don't buy anything, and like the president has to do something about it. This is causing very harmful thing to us. It's like they've blocked the road. When people are coming in to buy something, they can't come. So the president has to do something about it. This is very serious.
There 2 weeks in ye biani na ye tu bebregu ye wafufu a du baby a na asai ne etu egu 2 weeks in ye biani ye tugu sa ye sra bampanifo omo hwe na omo ye mfa bibi fa my esa ball asasu esa so akopi mu anwumre 6 o'clock ye nya hwene kwa ntumi ntina outside kwa ngi frama e ma ne ye nti ye sra bampanifo oni MPs na omo bo modi anu hwe na omo ye bibi fa my
pacha ball ane de in fact e ha ye pa na pa bia ye ba sa ye beton ade a na ball no e besisi ha obi kra de ka e ba na obe park a in fact yenya obi omunya kwan na omo de ka na esi okra na omo abeto yenoma na amaye nti bola ne de ha ye pa de bia siasa na awansena no aye ha bebre ya kan ya madam aka anope bia na omo abepark atete nti omo ntu mfi a ombesi ha che nti esa na ade to no enkontem
na anochwe no wo mo de adesrode ato Ghana abayanim afa na moto sonko a wasa aban etufa ho.
We are calling on the EC and the MP to help and secure things. If they have any pass-by route, you can't stop them doing what they're doing. But if they have any pass-by route, they can use it, or if they can schedule time for the people in the night when things close, people that works close, then they will do their works. It's okay. So, but what I'm telling you, yesterday I came here to eat. People came here, they will buy food instead to rest, to eat. They will go. All these flies are disturbing. You can't be eating, and especially okra. You know what I mean? So we're just calling on help so that they can fix the situation. It's too bad for us.
And I'm saying, "Bola for any chance, I'm a granite yakofom. So how I may famu. Semester a man penny say, only be being from my no one pay baby. I bet cry a bola no. Said the bear a day but 2 years. A damase.
I was your way, a wager, I just ship in more Anna yet one moncano. Now, what watch among of your Janotha? MPP, constituency chairman, ya one more a Alhaji, Abdul Salam Isa Aneka say, what the Atoya would jato one mono, a buying way of Abatanakunyaso and Shassian when you be any agenda 111. I al Sabia would be in an office school at Tanya, and was a bino 8 me, was all Shaman Puntunima, dear Drosopa, I watch among of your Janoth. Now, so come here, sir, buying way be, and as I buy a Sayaba. Now, say one more to a JJ Musa, I be actually not done. I just see a bugu, not your sounds to sin.
We were expecting so much. Yeah, MPP for Yan, your tone, Yaban, my Yaban position. Inti, Omoja, the opportunity now, move on with the Kakana, to be a free set and one. but yet the thing may be a free sena dollar cough from one enemy say bet translate into your system. But now I can see antisa. The same you can account. Near my year for farming community in a farmer via Bomobu. This young Canadian MPP of my woman crown. No, Miss Ghana for you, okay, estimate and they are, you know, Cassie.
I was your way, NPP constituency chairman here, war at Chamangwa North, Abatumpa Soso, Alhaji Abdul Salam Isa.
Meka wo se sompa kase bo na wutie fi sompa 106.5 FM Accra energy die kase bo no ye kamfo endpoint homeopathy clinic amon Dr. Duboatin se memo asonte se eye endpoint emdema oyare bia endpoint homeopathy clinic se bra se udehye bia bubu edadem na wo payare sabia wode ne beto ye behwe no a kopem se ne ho beto no a ye be physiotherapy massage ya hwe ne nuro anesefo bebo ne diapers aye bibia na eno endpoint homeopathy clinic homeopathy clinic ni ayaresa papa ni enam se eye endpoint ede ma wabi ni die ne wo haw ne onipadue mu a emu hawo no yesebra eye awo mu haw eye prostate in men premature ejaculation nerve diseases kidney issues liver issues ni nyina no eye endpoint homeopathy clinic Dr. Duboatin se wo kuma se eye kronoma boahia wo kuma se ena se wo nkran ha shall signboard spinters kwan so ehon so obehu wo mo na wo temanso community 22 ne nkrabata ba ko ho frɛ no ewo 0244 867068 eye 0244 867068 and 027 423 4321 027 423 4321 endpoint homeopathy clinic wayaresa efie ene ho Hajia special local foods nie aduane papa nie na hajia se bibia bekoye dia mawo a de aduane papa no wanya kwatenten wo be de aduane papa no wanya kwatenten dia na eye hajia special local food eti hyenon so sa ye wi be short commercial break ne de aka nyina ato so hajia se wo hwehwe na kira kwan a hachokwan no so ho no a transition ho no a eben washing bay kese no na wo betimi no akọ nakra nakama ama bibia etimi akona ya bo bibia ede amamu na Hajia special local foods nie aduane papa nie enti obema delivery guy na ye busy a obefre 024 024635991 ene jingles ne de be hyemu abono mfimfin no 024 635991 ene no achi nso 059 479 7215 059 4797215 na wodem kama na etimi aboa ama niema nyina etimi akoyie kama pa se ne wo peno no enti Hajia special local foods aduane papa fie kasa natural mineral water abudu nsuo esukroji nie ye benum nsuo papa ye nipadua na dayase ye nipadua na more than 70% no hanche modi oson eye nsuo enye nsuo bi akeke ene sese wonom nom kasa natural mineral water CASA mineral water no na chese wona wo kro no kasa Loma Ventures nie na wo hwehwe o matai fa Bok Hospital achi ho kasa natural mineral water so refreshing frey sesi a ebra wo pe sachet ni bi dispensers ni bi bottled water ni bi na dia your wedding na dia your party bottled water ne de obi anim se kasa natural mineral water eye 020 646940 weekend ye bay say ye wedding wo dia na so be free 020 646940 kasa natural mineral water ensu aye nom no make how say sompa kase bo na wutie free sompa 106.5 FM Accra yakoba ensem aka wa che bi te say North Korea ene China fo mansontwi bi a apagya ne mu no ye de ne nyina ebetomanim 21st clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bi a enye na eno na 21st clinic ba ya adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma je no Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketua wo mu je international awards ahodo wo mu je local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bi a 21st clinic in Kwa. Woman dear bibidro and a besan ya no masa de machine aka ho. Eya sabia yare bia wutimi de kone mama de pa ko wo magidi wo mu pa no. Eya sciatica and a stroke nso de kwa. Diabetes ne hypertension ne ade ne ade. Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho. Enkran ha. Se ye wo Tantra Hill runabout. Se wo free enkran eba. Ye wo wonsa ni fa so. Wo fra masaman so na eba nso a. Wonsa bonkum so. Eho na wo behu ye. Fre 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. There's a 21st clinic. Still, woman is sciatica expert.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was SOMPA First Service. I was SOMPA TV, SOMPA Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albesaki Kwambo.
Oyunyankupon di fa wasra no eweye brim. Enam ne nsa so ama Onyankupon we ya honwade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us SOMPA First Service. Ewo homayen enye TV program keke. Eye bra osro ne asasi hia. Eye bra Onyankupon kasa chenemba.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
SOMPA First Service entwa wo hu hoda. Eye dwada kusi efiada anopa. Anopa no num kusi anopa no nsie. Fa woda ni nyina share radensa na erade beye.
SOMPA TV, Emma Akitiapa.
Amakatua pampa busia yatoa ensem no eso na yekɔ Cuba ababado jasa Donald Trump ne nhyehyɛ ya wodo bia odeba yeso obi ankɔ ne krom tikyiri no wɔn ma wɔn ni nkrata ya wɔpam nipa dodo no wanti no anam so amade hye no ma wɔn mutu kwan na wɔn so ekɔ Cuba no enei eso atepa ye kasai nanka afibia nipa ba se 360,000 ena wɔn munya wɔn se wɔn betumi akɔsa man no so na fe wɔn makɔkɔ ye adwuma na wɔde sika bɔtene atumi aba na so ye ka say no enhyehya wodo pi no on mo akode etia wo mo afi nipa ba so ha mu nchemu aduonum enwohwe na chiripo enan 58.4% ana eswate akwakoduru aka ho bi ama Cuba dohye no adiaba ekyerese Trump awojehye pi no won ma wode gu akwan mu a eduruma bi a aya na de hyewbo enso babato won so sanse wo hwemu a won mo nhyada nya kase bi ya sa endi se Donald Trump ayen hyehye na wo hyase ase wo pam obi ya man anaso wo yen hyehye bi a ebema wo bi ya edi ne kuro so a na ede won so ahokyere pi no a na babato won so a ama ne ya ye kase yi ahokyere ababato won so de adesode etudwa na wo mo kyerɛ sɛ ne kura mpo no Canada won mo suspend air flight do ya etuo ekɔ Cuba ene enwo hyehye ya wodo pi no a amasikasam adwadie ni akɔma bɔsam ye kasai akwatwe ade ama wo mu a eno so wasam no aban no abomu wei so ene ye gina na awia pronto bakase bo a ye bobo no for SOMPA 106.5 Accra ye nkrabata wodo no nyina no ye de esie na sa frame wo fidie no wode ato ha ansamo do ya ye de brew awia bre no de adi makotie no bi ayese Ghana Police Service ade abasa disuania na waje ntete ewo UCC level 200 nipa bonfo je ne kra ade free nsem wo no wono nsa aso abrantie bi a wonya mfinsha no aduasan nan ye susu se anam ne nsaso ama baba wo ne free mu
na ye koye ne mu biemu na police fo wo nkawe wo machi enkrofo bi o mo sha sojafo atade ede kokro no bono asabre ye o masam no nhwehwem
sanso anatema West and DC Women's Organizer na wayira belsen finhia mienu nie na abusua hunu no abusua na bamonten so de adesode ato yero mahamanim se wonkeka no ho na no waten
yes koye ne mu biemu no na ababe piem so ono abosam no kutetu ablakwa wono so akyerem se omo yoma famu die bia se de be ya Thomas Party wo betimi enya visa akọ Canada
awurukasem a ekoso wo boko senior high no anam so ama wode asrafo dom akogu school ni mu a won mo hwe aboban sanso ana Yero Samuel Abdullahi Jinapo dama ngomra sebetwani enso de aba wose aban no dada ya dwene o ensem won mo ka bia se won mapamfo a won wo mo bu man no won so nanso sika kuma bi no mo de ya dwuma no enya dia etisa wo kwa bia so
Ghana Education Service nso e de atodwa say Bole Senior High School o chechire ni bi a viral video bi baaye say wo so akoda bi mu no wo mu behwe na emra ene no adi
Yera Samuel Atachia enso kire sanya no krada sa yera chama wontumi kese no wo besom samranim ni no wo boa papa so wo manuoma atwenchen na asuntia
eno achi nso Openye Bosman Asare Anna or ye deputy chairperson Emma Electoral Commission in charge of corporate affairs Dr. Bosman Asare or de Nedja Tohono Enna Ura Phyllis Quattro for Susi and Yano Cre say Abina a pianoa ama or no ankasa a yin huadi.
MPP Yamanyoko no ya wo watch man wa Bia North about one person so and so neba wa bedu ebon koma wo mkoto sra ban no say agenda 111 na e wo barekase no omewie
Enwachi former finance minister Honorable Ken Oforiatta said when permanent residency a obetimi atena America memo.
Ye free one no ye kwowura mu e wo Cuba adehye ye wo no so boso getre say ye wo Donald Trump on hye bi ode agu akwamu no aka ho bi ama wo musikasem e kobasa.
Ye ne de kasebo yi esom wa wie yi eyeme die nyame ehira no. AKOSUA AGYEWAA. Obetimi so afrem AKOSUA nhira. Mene medoba.
AKOSUA AGYEWAA kwade boatin.
Ye de asedema endpoint homeopathy clinic agia special local food and akasa natural mineral water na kasebo yi efi SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra no. Efa ye headquarters e wokumase SOMPA 93.1 FM SOMPA Techiman e 106.1 FM SOMPA Sunyane ye 98.9 SOMPA Nkranza e 90.7 mense onum ne omo e na decoder so bia radio wono e SOMPA FM mi Facebook page ne ade ne nyina no e na Facebook no mo antimi anyaye mo fancha ye adwuma kakra bi ye website ye www.sompaonline.com Kanesh Urban Radio e wo Kanesh Market na Doma FM Doma Hinkro e 100.7 Kasa Natural Mineral Water Hagia Special Local Food na Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic e ne boy chido me sorry see na SOMPA Accra e SOMPA Delight with Abuna Ruti na SOMPA Kumasi de e SOMPA Nkomo Promas SOMPA Nkomo Promas na ya se wa na ni introduction kura na obiase dekeke na ya se wa de SOMPA Nkomo Promas maw ewo ye headquarters ewo Kumasi ye SOMPA 93.1 FM Techiman for beto so na sunyane ne nkranza fo nyina nso de apeso koso tie SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra.